When it comes to mixing pattern, we are asked how to make that look work all the time. And I've shared a few tips before, but I think it's worth noting again. I mix clean lines and organic shapes together. So we've got a plaid and a stripe, and we've got a floral. So you see how we're mixing like the clean, the organic, and we're not repeating like a floral on floral together. We've separated them in the room, and they also have completely different styles. So one is a multicolor, this is only a two-tone. And then on this other side, we have a woven geometric, and then we have a solid texture. So I say in every combination, you're looking for like a solid texture, you're looking for a stripe, and something that has like organic, like imperfect lines to it. For this bed look, we really drew inspiration from this really pretty quilt. It's so soft, and it has a lighter weight hand feel to it. And it incorporates these kind of like blues and browns and this subtle pink color. And you can see that then like tied into these pillows here, the stripe, this really cool embroidered detail on the edge, and this duvet cover that has this kind of like waffle texture to it. We have a lot of depth to work with in this window seat, and so you can see we've built with our largest pillows at the back, and typically are more solid colors, solid and textural at the back, and then we've layered in the pattern in front. So we have this new pillow that has this kind of like deep blue woven texture. We also have this kind of like rusty tone on this floral pillow back here, which is really nice to tie in with those rust tones we saw in the rug as well. When we're creating our collections, when we launch them, I am really trying to consider, does this pillow combination, this collection that we're launching, can it work together so people don't have to think about how to mix and match? And the answer is that is exactly how we go about creating them.